Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English is My Life. I'm Haley.
And I'm Sam. It's great to see you all again on our daily English learning journey.
If this is your first time visiting the channel, then welcome. This is where we learn English together in a simple, relaxing, and enjoyable way.
That's right. Here on English is My Life, we bring you short, easy to understand lessons for all levels, especially beginners.
From greetings, basic conversations, and themed vocabulary to fun everyday stories.
Everything is delivered clearly, slowly, and naturally, just like we're talking with each other.
So, if you want to learn English every day without stress,
Then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us.
welcome to English is My Life. Hello, Sam.
Hello, Haley.
How are you today, Sam?
I am good. How are you?
I am very good, thank you. Today we learn English. Easy English, slow English.
Yes, let's learn English.
Great. Let's start with greetings. Hello. Hi. Good morning.
Hello. Hi. Good morning.
Good afternoon. Good evening. Goodbye.
Good afternoon. Good evening. Goodbye.
How are you?
How are you?
And we can answer like, I am good. I am okay. I am great.
I am good. I am okay. I am great.
Wonderful.
Haley, I like greetings.
Yes, greetings are very useful, and we can say them every day. Now, Sam, let's talk about names.
Yes.
What is your name?
What is your name?
My name is Haley.
My name is Sam.
Nice to meet you, Sam.
Nice to meet you too, Haley.
Now we learn numbers. Numbers are everywhere.
Yes, everywhere.
I say, you repeat. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
4, 5, 6.
7, 8, 9.
7, 8, 9.
10.
10.
Good. Now 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Great job.
Let's repeat.
1 to 20.
1 to 20.
Now the days of the week.
Oh, yes.
Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday.
These are the 7 days of the week.
7 days.
Yes, let's say them again.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Excellent.
Thank you.
We look around. We see things. We see objects.
Objects.
Yes, very good. Here are some simple objects. A book,
A book.
a pen,
A pen.
a pencil,
A pencil.
a phone,
A phone.
a table,
A table.
A chair.
A chair.
And we can use a sentence. This is a book.
This is a book.
This is a pen.
This is a pen.
Let's repeat objects again.
Book, pen, pencil, phone, table, chair.
Very good.
I like learning objects.
Objects are everywhere. You can practice all the time. Now, food and drinks. We love food.
Oh, yes, I love food.
Me too. Apple,
Apple,
banana,
banana,
rice,
rice,
bread,
bread,
milk,
milk,
water,
water,
coffee,
coffee,
tea.
tea.
Let's make sentences. I eat an apple.
I eat an apple.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I like coffee.
I like coffee.
Do you like banana, Sam?
Yes, I like bananas.
Good. Bananas are very good.
Yum, yum bananas.
Yum, yum apples. Food words again.
Apple, banana, rice, bread,
Drinks again.
milk, water, coffee, tea.
Now we learn daily actions.
Actions.
Yes. Listen and repeat. Wake up.
Wake up.
Brush teeth.
Brush teeth.
Take a shower.
Take a shower.
Get dressed.
Get dressed.
Eat breakfast.
Eat breakfast.
Go to work.
Go to work.
Go to school.
Go to school.
Study English.
Study English.
Eat lunch.
Eat lunch.
Go home.
Go home.
Eat dinner.
Eat dinner.
Sleep.
Sleep.
Let's put them in small sentences. I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Again, from morning to night.
Wake up, brush teeth, eat breakfast, go to school, study English, eat lunch, go home, eat dinner, sleep.
Nice job.
Thank you.
Let's review a little. I say the word, you say the word.
Okay.
Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Good. Now a small conversation. Ready?
Ready.
Hello, Sam.
Hello, Haley.
How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am great. Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Haley. What is your name?
My name is Sam.
Nice to meet you, Sam.
Nice to meet you too, Haley.
Do you like apples?
Yes, I like apples.
Do you like coffee?
No, I like tea.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
Good job. Okay, Sam, let's play a game.
Yay, a game!
I say the number, you say it, plus 1. 1,
2,
3.
4.
Good. Fun, right?
Yes, I like this.
What is this?
This is a book.
Yes. What is this?
Water.
Very good. Very easy. Very fun. Okay, Sam, let's summarize today.
Yes, let's summarize.
Today we learned greetings, hello, how are you, goodbye.
Hello. How are you? Goodbye.
Numbers 1 to 20.
1, 20.
Days of the week, Monday to Sunday.
Monday to Sunday.
Objects, book, pen, pencil, phone, table, chair.
Book, pen, pencil, phone, table,